Yo, how's it going, guys? Classy Supremacy here, back again with another video. As you can see by the title, we have done another prank for you guys, and let me tell you, it is jokes. We basically walk into a store yelling something out loud to the customers and workers, and then blow a loud air horn. If we could get 50 likes on this prank, just like we did on our first prank, that would be much appreciated. But don't forget to like the video if you laughed or thought it was jokes, and subscribe to support my channel and for that 200 subscriber giveaway. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you later.
Winners? More like champions. We're all winners in this store, am I right?
Yo, my fortune cookie tastes like cardboard. You guys want to get more fortune cookies?
I love this. There's nobody sleeping here. Okay. Time to go. Go. Okay, go this way. Oh, time to go. Time to go. Out here.
I got a question. Why can't guys get pedicures?
What was that?
Is that your question?
No, I said I would share it with my mother.
Yo, what the heck? I got 9 nuggets for $1.99. I like McDonald's way better. I'm a boy!
Yo, my fortune cookie tastes like cardboard.
Yo, what the heck? I got 9 nuggets for $1.99. I like McDonald's way better.
Who is that idiot?
Yeah, who was that idiot?